Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to buy options on Webull Mobile Easy Method. Open Webull Mobile and tap Trade, then Options. Search the ticker symbol, pick an expiration date and strike price, then choose Buy to open the order ticket. Set the contract quantity and order type, review estimated cost and fees, confirm buying power, then swipe to submit the order and monitor your positions in the Positions tab. Study the option chain carefully and use the Greeks to guide trades. Check implied volatility, bid-ask spread, and volume to find liquid contracts. Decide between a limit or market order, and consider using limit to control execution price. Compare calls versus puts based on directional view and set a clear exit plan with target and stop. Confirm margin and buying power, then place a small size to test the process before scaling. Hey, quick pause. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful guides. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, pairs nicely with options education and long-term planning. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a sip, relax, and now let's get back to the video. Open the option contract to pull up the order ticket and double-check symbol, expiration, strike, and side. Input contracts, choose limit price if desired, and set time in force. Add a target sell order or stop to automate exits and enable price alerts on the chart. Review estimated fees and required margin, then confirm. After execution, monitor fills and orders and adjust or close positions in positions to manage risk and profit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.